Home Remedies presents. Drink 30 ml Karela bitter gourd juice every day to manage diabetes. In addition to being a food ingredient, bitter melon has also been long used as a herbal remedy for a range of ailments, including type 2 diabetes. Bitter melon is linked to lowering the body's blood sugar. This is because the bitter melon has properties that act like insulin, which helps bring glucose into the cells for energy. The consumption of bitter melon can help your cells use glucose and move it to your liver, muscles, and fat. The health benefits of Karela or bitter gourd are innumerable. Its fruits, stems, leaves, and roots are used to treat ailments such as hyperlipidemia, lowering cholesterol and triglycerides, digestive disorders, microbial infections, and menstrual problems. Are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support it. What you have to do: the product link I have given in the video description. Purchase it and simply consume 30 ml 2 tablespoons of juice twice a day, 30 minutes before meal, and see the miraculous results. You can take it directly or dilute it in a glass of room temperature water. Those who want to extract the juice at home, here's how to do it. How do you extract bitter gourd juice? Take a bitter gourd and de-seed it. Soak the pieces in cold water for about 30 minutes. Add bitter gourd pieces to a juicer with half glass of water and add half teaspoon of salt and lemon juice. Blend the ingredients well. Dosage: drink 2 glasses of this juice daily before food to significantly bring down sugar levels. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.